My car app. Door locks. Unlock. Door locks. Doors lock. Vehicle start. $15-minute run time. Shut it off. This is the factory remote right here. Alrighty. So we are going to just try one more time by throwing that on the floor right there. Alrighty. And we're gonna use the cell phone, start the vehicle. As you see, factory remote out there. Alrighty. Just like that. It will give you 15-minute run time. I program it to 15 minutes. You can go up to 35, but I program it to 15 minutes, so it's gonna fix it to 15 minutes. Alright, so let's go ahead and stop that. I have the app over here. I'm gonna open that real quick. So you can still start your vehicle using your Apple Watch. So let's go ahead and try that. Lock it first and see it. There we go. Press the start button. Alright, that allows you to start it from your Apple Watch. There we go. Same information displays. Let's go ahead and stop that real quick. You see there? Vehicle stop. So like and subscribe, guys. I also got my daughter Toyota Corolla over there, and I'm about to install the remote start, and you guys gonna be the first to see that. I will see you in the next video, guys.